This is my ultimate Saturday sandwich for those moments at the weekend where you want a real treat, maybe if you've had a heavy evening before, but also it's just a fantastic upgrade on the standard bacon sarnie. So starting off, we're going to do a sweet tomato relish. So I'm just going to start by finely dicing some onions, and I've got my pan on a medium heat, just heating up. And to that, I'm going to add minced garlic, just 2 cloves, some dried chili flakes as well. I've got some tomatoes here, which I'm just going to chop. Get those tomatoes in there. I'm just going to add in some tomato puree, a little vinegar, and just a little bit of sugar, which is going to bring out the sweetness in the tomatoes. So I've got that relish bubbling away there. Now it's time for the main event, our Northern Irish bacon here, with a gorgeous layer of fat down the side, which is going to render down in the pan and give us perfect flavour. I'm just going to get those into the pan. So I'm going to render that bacon down until it's brown and crispy on both sides. So my relish is nearly ready. You can see it's thickened up, lovely. My bacon is crispy, so I'm just going to get ready for the rest of the sandwich. So I'm going to lift my bacon off. And then I'm just going to put my bread in there, and that's going to absorb all that lovely bacon fat. Leave that on there for a couple of minutes, just while my relish cools. So those have just toasted off slightly. I'm going to get a little bit of my relish. I'm just going to put my nice thick cheese slices on there. I'm using a little bit of rocket, just to give it a bit of pepperiness. And then on top goes our lovely Northern Irish bacon with our last slice of bread. Whoa! Now look at that. Tell me that isn't an ultimate sandwich. And it's time for the taste test. Really see what we're getting in for. It looks terrific. I've looked at it long enough, so if you'll excuse me, I'm going to get stuck in.